Welcome to the Dragonfruit and Milestone client installation and demo. Uploading video to the Dragonfruit cloud can be accomplished in 4 easy steps. First, create a new location. Next, download the Milestone plugin on your local machine. From there, connect Dragonfruit to your remote storage server, and then select the cameras whose feeds you would like uploaded to the Dragonfruit cloud. As you can see, Milestone X-Protect Management Client 2020 R2 is installed on our on-premise hardware. As you can see here, the license this Milestone system is running is the X-Protect Corporate 2020 R2 test product. Now let's get started with the demo. Once you are logged in, create a new location by clicking on the magenta plus button in the top left corner and select New Location. From here, you will want to name the location as you want it to appear under the Locations tab. Now you will want to select your VMS, and you will want to select the Milestone VMS. From here, you will be met with a page to download the plugin and connect to the remote storage server. Remember, the installation of the plugin should take place on your local machine. You will want to click Download VMS Plugin and fully install the client. Then you will want to start the Dragonfruit uploader for Milestone. Once you have the plugin window open, you will want to copy and paste or enter the connection code from the Dragonfruit website into the plugin window. After this, you will be asked to select a temporary storage location or folder on your machine that Dragonfruit can store files temporarily in before uploading. From this point on, the next steps to configure the Dragonfruit client will be conducted on the Dragonfruit website. The next step on the website will be to connect to your remote storage server, which will require you to enter your storage server name, the username and password for it, and the corresponding IP address and port. Now the storage server will connect, which may take a minute. Once the connection is complete, you will see the sources available to select within the Dragonfruit system. These sources will match the feeds from the Milestone system. We can verify through Milestone X-Protect that the feed present in the Dragonfruit system is coming from Milestone. As you can see here, the camera group and feeds are identical. You will now want to select the sources you would like to upload to Dragonfruit. This can be changed later in settings. Once this is done, the name you provided under the storage server name and sources you selected will be available under the location you created and their corresponding videos. The Dragonfruit client will export the videos from Milestone and push them to the cloud now. As you can see from this separate example, Dragonfruit will upload video every 10 minutes, and from here, video can be viewed or searched on for people and vehicles based on characteristics and source and time. Here you can see the video Dragonfruit has uploaded from our camera in 10-minute chunks, while the most recent clip is still processing. The other clips are ready to view and be searched on with Dragonfruit's powerful video analytics tools. If you have questions or would like more information, email us at contact@dragonfruit.ai.